Do you want to revolutionize your content creation with AI? In this video, I'll help you step into the world of content creation where artificial intelligence tools act like your smart assistants, effortlessly crafting videos, blog posts, and marketing materials with ease. Best of all, they are free and user-friendly, perfect for anyone looking to create top-notch content without the hassle. Say goodbye to writer's block and say hello to the world of limitless creativity. If you don't know me, I am Bobe Chiambah, founder and CEO of C Media Group, where we leverage the power of media and technology to empower you. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Number 1. Podcastel. Podcastel is an AI-powered podcast recording and editing app for audio only or video and audio podcasts. You can record video and audio streams while conducting virtual interviews with up to 10 people. The real star of the show is Podcastel's AI audio editing that automatically cuts out silence, suggests where to trim clips, and helps minimize noise while ensuring all tracks are at the same volume level. If you want to start a podcast but have never edited audio or videos in something like Adobe Premiere Pro or even CapCut, Podcastel is an easy way to go with minimal, easy learning curve. You can use Podcastel for the following: starting a new podcast, as an easy audio and video editing tools for AI voice cloning to create content that still sounds like you. Podcastel has a free plan, so you can start using it for free before you upgrade to a premium plan. 2. Write. Write is another incredible free AI writer. It is super intuitive with dozens of built-in use cases for different types of text, so you can get started in seconds and generate content ideas, outlines, blogs, cover letters, ad copy, job description, and more. What is unique about Write is that it can also help you generate keywords for the topics you want to cover, as well as creating copy around keywords provided by you or generated automatically. Write also let you select the tone for its articles. There are over 20 different tones currently available, ranging from informative and convincing to casual and humorous. The quality of the content generated with Write is excellent. That said, in my experience, the best use case for Write is for content briefs. The tool generates in-depth briefs with a breakdown of each heading alongside the keyword and subtopic that need to be covered in each part of the article. 3. Descript. AI content creation isn't limited to text. You can also harness its power for audio and video content. For instance, Descript uses AI to record, edit, publish podcasts and videos. Some of its AI content creation tools include identifying the best clip from your video or episode, removing bad takes, and even creating realistic voices or choosing from pre-made AI voices. If you have started a podcast or plan to launch a YouTube channel, Descript can make the editing process easier, especially for beginners. Descript offers a free plan with limited transcription, recording, and editing hours. Paid plans start from $12 per user per month. 4. Canva. Every creator's favorite graphic design tool, Canva, can also be used for AI content generation. Canva offers a free AI image generator. All you have to do is describe an image you want to see, select a style, and choose an aspect ratio, and Canva's AI will automatically generate a few options for you. Using AI to generate images is key to creating original content for your brand. This may come in handy if you don't consider yourself design savvy. If you're already using Canva for your business, it's easy to use its AI tool to generate social media ready content. Canva's free plan includes limited AI generated designs. If you want access to its premium AI features, Canva Pro is $14.99 per month as of the time of this video. If you're getting any value from this video, please hit the like button in order to support me to keep making videos like this for you. Also subscribe and click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I publish a new video. 5. Kajabi. If you've been considering developing an online course or selling an ebook but simply haven't had the time to create the content, that's where Kajabi's AI Creator Hub comes in. With the AI Creator Hub, you can bring all of your business and digital product ideas to life with the press of a button. Chiambah's free AI tools can generate everything from course outlines to lesson content to landing page copy, all tailored to your subject expertise. Even better, the AI tool doesn't end at course content creation. It can also help you develop supporting content to help you sell and distribute your course. You can use the AI Creator Hub to generate everything from sales email copy to sales video scripts to social media posts promoting the course. If you want to launch an online course, Chiambah's powerful AI tool can create course content in minutes. As of now, Chiambah offers a free 14 days trial. After that, pricing starts at $119 per month. 6. Synthesia. In the world of AI, anything is possible, even creating realistic human-like avatars. One AI content tool that does this is Synthesia. Synthesia uses AI and deep learning technologies to create realistic-looking videos based on a script you give it. You can select a video template, choose from over 120 languages, and even select which avatar you want to be in your video. A great way to use Synthesia is to generate text-to-video or text-to-speech content. For instance, let's say you want an online course and want to create videos to go along with each lesson, but you don't want to be the face of your video. You can simply enter your script into Synthesia and it will create a video with someone else teaching your lesson. But if you want to scale your learning content or create additional video content on how-to videos, this could be a good AI tool to generate even more content. 7. WriteSonic. WriteSonic is an AI text generator with an online free plan that lets you to generate up to 10,000 words per month. It is based on GPT 3.5, so it's been trained on billions of pieces of content and can generate virtually any kind of text. Much like Copy AI, WriteSonic lets you provide more than just simple instructions. You can upload trending keywords, statistical data, brand guidelines, and even your best performing pieces of content, and it will use all of this to ensure the generated content is on brand, follows your style preferences, and use the right terminology. This makes WriteSonic an excellent choice for complex topics such as healthcare, law, and tech, where extensive knowledge of technical terms is necessary to create well-written articles. With WriteSonic, you can have any writer generate superb content in minutes, regardless of their experience with the topic. Alongside the articles and the blog posts, WriteSonic can generate professional-looking landing pages that are ready to publish. And rather than just generating copy, WriteSonic can generate code, so you will have design outlines, pre-formatted text with headings and bullet points, and call to action sections all in place. All you need to do is to add images. Another use of WriteSonic is to improve your existing content. The paraphrasing tool can rewrite sentences, paragraphs, and even whole articles and essays. This helps you instantly update all content with the latest information, improve structure and flow, help you rank by adding relevant keywords, adjust the tone and voice, or even rewrite the content in another language. WriteSonic isn't only great for content agencies and businesses. It can also be used by creative individuals who want to write their own short stories. The story generator feature lets you bring creative ideas to life and generate captivating stories with a single click in over 25 languages, just slightly fewer than write. 8. Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps users produce error-free, published, and effective content. With its sophisticated algorithms, it checks for over 400 types of errors in your writing, including grammar, spelling, punctuation, and sentence structure. Grammarly can also suggest vocabulary improvements, tone adjustments, and writing style modifications to improve readability, clarity, and consistency. Available as a browser extension or desktop app, Grammarly integrates seamlessly with popular word processors like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and Outlook. It can also review your social media posts, emails, messages, and comments in real time to ensure that your writing is flawless and professional. Grammarly offers a free version that checks for basic grammar and spelling errors. However, the premium version provides advanced features like genre-specific writing style checks, personalized suggestions suggestions based on your writing style and plagiarism detection. The premium version also provides more detailed explanations of errors and suggestions for improvement. Overall, Grammarly is a valuable AI tool that saves writers time, enhances their writing skills, and helps them create impressive content. 9. Lately, do you create a lot of long-form content? Maybe you have an extensive library of blog posts or podcast episodes that you want to repurpose. Consider harnessing Lately for your AI content generation. Lately takes a single piece of long-form content and generates dozens of social media posts from it. For example, let's say you wrote a valuable blog post that is jam-packed with industry insights or helpful tips for your target audience. If you want to get the most out of your content, you can use Lately to generate tons of social media posts around that blog post. Plus, with every use, Lately aims to better understand your brand voice and apply it to the next round of generated copy. This result is more unbranded content over time and ideally means you wouldn't have to edit the results as much. Lately is good for creators with extensive long-form content that needs to be repurposed. Plans start from $49 per month and are limited to the number of social channels it supports. 10. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a powerful AI tool that transforms text into engaging video content. By simply entering your blog post or article, Lumen 5 automatically generates stunning videos with visual and music to captivate your audience. The user-friendly interface makes it easy for content creators to customize the video and to match their brand aesthetics. With Lumen 5, you can repurpose your written content into visually appealing video without any prior editing skills. This tool saves time and effort by streamlining the video creation process, allowing you to focus on creating high-quality content. Whether you are a blogger, marketer, or social media manager, Lumen 5 offers a convenient solution for maximizing engagement through videos. Incorporating video content into your marketing strategy has never been easier thanks to Lumen's 5 intuitive features and templates. Elevate your content game and stand out of the digital landscape with dynamic video creations produced effortlessly by this innovative AI tool. 11. InVideo. Looking to create engaging videos without spending hours on editing? Look no further than InVideo. This AI-powered tool is a game changer for content creators looking to level up their video production. With its user-friendly interface, even beginners can easily navigate and create professional-looking videos in no time. InVideo offers a wide range of templates, customizable features, and royalty-free media assets to bring your creative vision to life. Whether you are making social media arts, tutorials, or promotional videos, InVideo has got you covered. The best part, you can add animations, transitions, text overlays, and music with just a few clicks. Say goodbye to expensive video editing softwares and hello to efficiency with InVideo. Save time and energy by utilizing this powerful tool for all your video creation needs. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.